everybody. So now we are going to learn a function where it separates the first name and the last name. So our goal is to make the separate of Aditya and Sharma. The Aditya should come in the first name and the Sharma should come in the last name. So we know that there is a function which can be done very easily. So let us learn about that function. So is equal to text split. So you'll get a text split, just put a tab and select the cell. The cell is B2. Now text is over, next is the comma, and we need to find where is the space. So we need to tell to this function like find space. So it finds the space. Then after that, it understand the first name and the last name. So it will make sure that Rita is the first name by putting this comma, and the space where it understands where it should split. So here we need to get Aditya as a first name and last name as Sharma. So once we enter it, so this is how it works. Now we need to do for the other things until 50 is there. So just this is like you need to double click here or you can drag. You can drag it, no problem. So you can drag until here. So you will be getting all the names of this particular table. Now we have separated the first name and the last name of the full name. So this is the easiest method where we can understand how to read the name. So let us have some table content if all text B. So this is a shortcut key. So this is what we have done. So you can think of doing this. Thank you.